Well, welcome back, everyone, as the Sab Crazy adventure continues. I mean, I'll just put it over my shoulder, too. Yeah, whatever. Bam. With the Warbeard. Got the right license plate, finally.
8 years old.
Oh, man.
Oh, fuck, that's me.
No. Not when his wife's calling. His safety. Sab right here. All right. There's a peg. There's another peg. I got a grass pass. We're good, Holmes. Oh, yeah. This is good. Oh, man, I'm knocking the bungees off. No, we're good. How you doing, buddy? Do we need to be connected or you're good?
Huh?
You want to be connected to me or you're good?
Fine.
All right, we're good. First time for everything. I'll try and sit still. How we doing, Russ?
Oh, that is hilarious.
Right?
That is hilarious.
The best part is I can put my feet down. Oh, riding 2 up with the buddy Warbeard. Taking me over here to Born Free, the motorcycle show. Oh, what a day. Bikes all over. I think John needs more air in this back tire if I'm riding on here. Hey, look at everybody. Hi.
We're missing the bag.
We're missing somebody?
We're missing my boy Christian.
Oh, all right.
The big bagger.
He can catch up though. He's
He's a pretty slow rider.
Not always. Good thing I brought extra Advil.
Oh yeah, he's back there.
Never ridden 2 up with anyone before except for my wife, but she was the passenger. This is surely an experience. Oh, look at this guy. This big Harley.
This is our crew. This is who we all rolling up with.
Checking ourselves out in the mirror over here on John's bike.
Dad, you should wear a wig.
Edgy?
You should wear a wig, like a chick's wig.
Oh yeah, like a hair throw?
Yeah. Now, at least on a bike, you look like a girl.
Well, because I'm skinny, I'm little. I'm a petite little thing, so me sitting back here with my long legs, it just looks like he's carrying around a long...
No, you got the build for it.
Well, yeah, and I got the backpack and everything.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah. Just
Oh, there's so many bikes. Hell yeah.
Bikes on bikes. On bicycles, too. Spandex wearing granola munchers. I'm helping back here, John. Oh, and Psychnurse got a new plate after somebody decided stealing it was a good idea. Oh, they want to go faster than us. Bye. What? What is he doing? Oh my goodness.
Don't you know I'm ticklish?
Don't you know John's ticklish?
You don't want to tickle him. He's your driver.
No, I only tickle him at red lights, and I only did it once. I already got that out of the way.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, right? Oh, shit.
Ooh, what happened here?
Biker down.
Uh-oh.
Slow, 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 slow.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, this just happened, too.
Yeah, well, that fire truck just went past us. Damn, damn, damn. Never like to see that. Never.
You never like to see it, but for some reason, always at these events, there's always at least somebody that goes down.
Yeah, there's always some shit that, you know, the inexperienced person.
Yeah. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, that's shitty. He looked like he was all in one piece. I didn't get a look at his face, but
I didn't think it was a man. I think it was a woman.
Oh, you thought it was a lady?
I think it was a woman laying down.
Huh. All right. Well, we'll have to check the footage.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna keep this clip rolling, even though that's a good spot to stop it. But that's shitty. Oh yeah. Stay out of the way, Tim. You and your van. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Ask him which lane he's in.
You ask him.
Scusi, thank you.
connected with everybody. Oh, check out that cop just sitting over there on the right. On the right, on the right, on the highway, on the street, on the highway.
Oh yeah, the cop?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we could have connected, but there's too many people, I think. I don't know, it's possible. We could do it. This side-by-side shit makes me leery. You know, I freaking lead group rides where I tell people as soon as we hit the canyons, go single file. So it's like, back up, Chuck. Got Edgy, Psychnurse, John and I, Chuxtr, Vrod, some dude I didn't catch his name. We got Silversurfer Tim on the Harley. Who else do we got? Oh, Hollow Saint. Vrod.
That's me already.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Well, you're. I'll give you 2 points.
Nice.
Because we're connected, so they can hear you. You could say hello and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and I'm riding backpack, cupcake, bitch with John. And I did those in that order on purpose. But yeah, I've never been on 2-Up.
He's your pimp right now.
He is pimping. He's doing a great job. I love it. You know, he started this whole group chat event thing, so I only expected him to, you know, pick me up if my bike went down. Oh yeah.
So bad that it went down.
Yeah, that bike down was not a good thing. Oh wait, Volvo.
Are we here?
I believe we are here.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice of the car turning left to allow the right-hand turning bikers to go first. Cop down there in front of us too, lots of cops.
So this is where we all split up. The people that don't have grass passes gotta go park
in the shit lot?
Yep. And we get to go on the nice soft grass.
Well, I'm a grass passer. How about you?
I'm a grass pass holder.
And so is my buddy here, John, so...
Yep, we're good.
We're good. I got another cop up in here, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of cops up here.
Yeah. Well, how are we going to be smoking if there's cops everywhere?
There's like, they're more out here for the...
Oh, outside the event?
Yeah, they're more outside the event. Inside there's security, but there's like little designated areas where you can just go up and smoke.
The smoking section.
Yeah.
Hi, Ossifer. I swear there's no blood in my alcohol stream.
It says $10 parking. I wonder if they're charging for parking now.
I mean, you know that Malibu Seafood started, or Neptune's Net started charging for parking. One of them spots, yeah, Neptune's Net started charging for parking.
Yeah, but it's only like $2 or something.
Yeah, but whatever. If they want to charge these bikes, it should be $2 because you can fit 5 bikes in a space.
What I think is that...
motorcycles should be free?
No, I think if they're going to charge bikes, they should at least give them whatever they buy inside, but give them that discount. Like that $2.
Oh, give them credit. Yeah.
$2, you get a $2 credit inside.
Like give them a token or something.
Yeah.
Or a voucher. Their receipt is good as, you know.
Because I think why they did that is because bikers park there and they just go wherever they want. They'll go across the street. They'll go.
Okay. Yeah, walk the coast or whatever.
Yeah, some of them won't even buy anything. They'll just come with their friends and take up all the spots.
Now that makes sense.
So I think if they gave them that voucher.
You're talking here or at Malibu Seafood? Or Neptune's, yeah. Well,
My bike can't handle the speed.
right? It's too fast. Absolutely no club colors, cuts, patches, or weapons of any kind, including all knives, are permitted on the premises.
What about alcohol?
Oops.
Say anything about weed?
Nope, I didn't read anything about weed. I got a knife, though.
Parking cash only. $10. See? They weren't charging for parking last year.
No?
No.
Thanks, buddy. You're saving the day. What did Chuxtr say?
I didn't hear him.
Nothing. I know I'm kind of talking to John, and I said something, and then I think Chuck said something. But we can't hear him, so we're just, you know, finger pointing. Damn, this place seems pretty big. Just based on the ride into the place. Taking forever to get to something. We haven't even got to anything yet.
Split right here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Split.
Gate 1, grass pass left. General. Cars, bikes, gate 2, right.
I wonder if everybody's gonna go in the grass path and just follow.
Just plow through?
No, just I have a feeling people aren't gonna know to go to the gate.
Well, you gotta show them.
I wonder if that guy's like cop that was selling it. 25.
Was he selling
I
or
hope he's not a
buying?
cop. I don't know if that guy's a cop or not.
Does it matter if he's a cop?
Does it matter if he's a cop?
Oh yeah, turn left and right.
Well, it's right here. Yeah.
Oh, get that cone out of the way.
Alright, so this is the way to the grass path.
Bye, guys. Bye, you dirty dirt parkers.
I got one.
Left side, left side.
Over here. Alright.
Ooh, shit. Woo! And we are here. Grass pass and all. Dang, I love it. This is fucking bitchin'. I mean, out in the sun parking, not on the grass is okay too. She said nice and tight.
Nice and tight, I heard her.